I feel that bone broth is one of the most healthy and healing products that you can consume, period. It's full of collagen, but also important amino acids like proline, glycine, glutamine. These help heal the gut, help our immune system, support our detoxification processes, and helps overall many processes that make you healthy. It also supports something called your extracellular matrix. This is the environment around and between all of your cells that make or break their functioning and if you're going to be healthy or not. So this is easy. You take some animal bones and you put it in your crock pot and then fill it up with filtered water. And then I like to add some different foods to flavor it and add some nutrition, whether it's cilantro, parsley, onions, carrots, celery, ginger, whatever. And you have to add 2 tablespoons of some sort of acidic product like vinegar or lemon juice to help extract all that nutrition from the bones. And then I cook it on low for 24 hours. Then I let it cool down and strain everything out. And then I don't put all of it in the fridge because it is an animal product and you don't want it in there for a long time. I'll put some in the fridge and then store some in the freezer. And I like to also put it in some ice cube trays so that you can take out and consume small amounts at a time. One of my favorite things to do is just take about a half cup and drink it on an empty stomach every day when you can and it's available. And then it's really best to use healthy bones from healthy animals because most animals are raised in conventional feeding operations and they're exposed to a lot of toxins, pesticides, antibiotics, and we don't want to be extracting toxins. And we know that people and animals store toxins in our bones and our fat, so we don't want to be extracting those and consuming them. I also believe in making yourself rather than buying it because that way you know truly what went into it and that there's not added processed salts, preservatives, and whatnot. Lastly, a great idea is to get whatever meat and bones that you're going to start with, say a whole chicken or a lamb with bones, cook and feed your family for dinner, and then turn around and cook it again for 24 hours, and voila, you have bone broth. Research shows that clicking the thumbs up and subscribe button will make fingers healthy and strong, and besides, it's free.